students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So our next question is, resistors of resistance 100 ohms are connected in parallel in an electric circuit. Then the number of resistors that have to be connected to obtain 25 ohms as our equivalent resistance. Our options are 10, 5, 40 and 4. So to solve this question, what we'll do, we'll try to make this circuit. This circuit has n 100 ohm resistance which are connected in parallel. Like this. Correct? And they are so on. Correct? There are n resistance and equivalent resistance is given in the question. R equivalent is given in the question 25 ohms. So equivalent resistance formula, if you remember, it is 1 upon R equivalent for a parallel, for a resistance connected in parallel. The equivalent formula will be 1 upon R equivalent will be equals to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus so on. Number of as many number of resistance are here, we will add as many times. Okay. Now 1 upon R equivalent. 1 upon R equivalent. If we have n resistance and all resistance are 100 ohms, all resistance are 100 ohms. So it will be 1 upon 100 plus 1 upon 100 plus dot 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 n times. N times, correct? Now, so 1 upon R equivalent will be equals to 1, 2, 3, we will add n times. So it will become n divided by 100 and R equivalent will become 100 divided by n. Now we know R equivalent is given in the question as 25 ohms. So 25 will be equals to 100 divided by n. So n will come here, 25 will go there. So n is equals to 100 divided by 25. So 25 ones are 25 fours are. So n is equals to 4. So we are supposed to connect 400 ohm resistance in parallel to find equivalent resistance as 25. So our correct option will be option D. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.